Imagine a world where your food stays fresh for weeks longer, not wrapped in synthetic, immortal plastic, but in something entirely natural, biodegradable, and even edible. What if the secret to revolutionary food preservation has been buzzing around us for millions of years? We're about to unveil how beeswax, nature's own self-healing waterproof marvel, is being engineered at the nanoscale. This is the story of beeswax nano coatings, a sustainable solution that could change everything you know about packaging. This is biomimetic engineering in action. This is the 4K feel of a sustainable future.
God, I aning.
I don't know the Alan and I'm happy.
The crisis is visible, tangible, and growing. Every year, billions of tons of synthetic plastic are generated, much of it single-use food packaging. It's a mountain of waste that impacts every ecosystem on our planet, polluting our oceans, our soil, and ultimately our bodies. Traditional preservation methods, even with modern packaging, have surprising limitations. They slow decay, but they don't truly heal or actively maintain freshness. We need innovation that goes beyond slowing the inevitable. We need a material that is truly designed by nature to protect. And that's where we return to the humble, yet extraordinary, beeswax. For millennia, it was used to seal, preserve, and protect. It's nature's forgotten wonder, a material that is already waterproof, already self-healing, and already biodegradable. For scientists seeking a revolutionary alternative, the answer has been buzzing right under our noses.